Hello friends, welcome back. So guys, today's session we will see how to download a free SoapUI tenant. Okay, so to test the web services, we require a SoapUI. This is a API testing tool. Okay, so how you can download? So very first we need to install the Java, like Oracle Java, and second we installing the SoapUI free software. Okay, so do one thing, just open a browser, any browser you can use, no problem. Just type Oracle Java Oracle Java download, and the first website is available. Let me check it is correct or not. Oracle Java. Enter. Okay. So this is the official website. Just click on that. Okay. Here the options are available. Now scroll down. So three OS are there, like Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So I'm looking for Windows. And this is the installer basically to install the software. So just click on this website, like click on this URL. So I already downloaded to save the time. I just like cancel this downloading and I'll open. I'll show you. Okay, so once you complete the download, the file see in this kind the like this format installation file. So just click on that, give the permission. After that, this will open. Just click on next. Here, the path you can select. This will install the Java TM SE development kit 2164-bit which required 420 MB on your hard drive. Click the change button, change the installation and folder. So I'm looking for same folder, so click on next. So it will install your Oracle Java JDK. Okay, then click on close. Now the next step would be you need to select like set the environment variable. So edit environment variable open, click on path. Okay, once you click on the path, then click on new, not a new, just click on path and then double click on this path, and here click on new. Okay, so go to your files like file explorer. I think I save on C drive, then program files. Here click on Java, JDK, and bin till the path you required. Just click on that, control C, then new, then control V. Okay, uh, open the notepad so that it will not vanish. Okay, then again I'm looking for another settings like another URL. So click on program files, common files. One is for JDK bin. Okay, to start this server. Second is for Oracle Java and Java path. Okay, then control C, paste in your notepad as well. And where it is, let me check. Okay, then click on new and then control V. So this is a first one is for JDK bin, second is for Oracle Java. Okay, then click on OK. After that, click on new. We need to select like set the one user variable. Okay, so Java home, and guys here we require the path, but let me check the path first. Click on program files, then Java, then JDK. We don't require a bin, only JDK till the path we required to set the variable. So this is application path. Okay, JDK path. Then click on OK. After that, OK, and then OK. Okay. So it is installed or not. How you can check? Just open the command center, command prompt. Here, give the name as a Java hyphen hyphen version will see all those details. After that, we need to check the compiler. Okay, so hyphen hyphen version. You can see the Java C. This is 21. Okay, so this is a new version, basically JDK 21. Okay, now do one thing. We're done with the Oracle Java. Now we are looking for a SOAP UI software like application. SOAP UI we download. Then click on that, which is official website. Here click on tools. Okay, then open source. This is SoapUI. This is open source. Click on latest releases, and here three options are there: Linux, Windows, Mac OS. So we are looking for Windows. So just click on download. Okay, so I already downloaded. I just skip it and I'll show you the downloaded file to install. So click on downloads. Here the SOAP UI installation file is there. This is a setup basically. Give the permission. Then next, here it will see the select the folder where you would like to SOAP UI 5.7.1 to be installed. Then click on next. I'm looking for the same path. Required disk space you can check 305 MB. Pre disk space is a 45 GB. Then next, here SOAP UI source and Hermes JMS all things is required. So just select and click on next. Okay, this is license agreement. I accept the agreement and then click on next. Here you can see select the same path. If you want to change, then you can just browse it. This is the start menu bar I'm looking for as well. So click on that particular icon and click on next. Here create a desktop icon. Yes. Then click on next. Preparing for install, like extracting files. So once it finished, then I'll show you the user interface for SOAP UI. Okay. So please wait for some time. Okay, so it's done successfully. Then yes, finish. And this is a file, basically logs file. You can check all the logs, and it will open the SOAP UI interface. Like interface, not an interface. This is a UI, user interface. Okay, and the version is okay. So guys, here you can see the complete SOAP UI structure. Okay, how you can create a project, click on that. If you have visual, so just import and well, like wherever your local destination, you can just like select your visual as well. All those options are there. In point explorer are there. Okay, so that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you like and enjoying this session. If you are new in my channel, so just guys hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Okay, we'll come up with a new session very soon. Stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much. Have a great day.